Right, we're doing a walk to Palma Nova. See how far we get today. Doesn't look good over there, does it? Looks like it's going to rain in a minute. Hat shops. Never shut them. Yeah. Nice little bag. Right, we're coming into Palma Nova now. It's not a bad walk. If you go the beach way, you have to come up a load of steps to get where we're going. Hotels over there. Now I was looking at that. I was going to stay there, but changed my mind. I went to that one, the other one instead. Samos. Got a medical centre over there. There's plenty of them around. There's you come out of the hotel and go left. You take the first main right where Benny Hills is and cross over. There's an English medical centre, so that's good. You got live music here. Santander over there. Another tack shop over there. They never shut. Always open. Do I know where I'm going? Yeah. There we go. If you go straight up that way, that will take you to the strip Magaluf. Straight up, turn right. Plenty of motorbike shops here to hire a motorbike. Oh look, where we are, the East Enders. All a few. Got all the food in there. Closed. Then you got the Prince Willie over there. Then we carry on up here. That road I just said goes straight to the Magaluf strip is up there, left, right. But I won't be going up there. And get to the beaches. Got watch all the muck all over the pavements. Another tack shop. Loads about. They're everywhere. Now we cut down here. You go up there, you go to the left. That'll come out where we're going now. Saves walking up the hills. There's got a bike shop here. You can order bikes. Push bikes.
Where?
It's getting a bit windy out here. The beach, lovely views. Right, let's do the walk. These restaurants along here are usually packed. The olive trees, it's pretty good. When it's open in the season, it's always packed, that place. What a view, eh? What a lovely view. Yeah, we've got a children's park here. The wind's a bit strong here, it's blowing the camera around. So I'm sorry if it keeps moving about. So we've got that there. Look. Miles over the road. Over there. Can't see many open. Can't see none open actually. Might be too early in the morning. They might open about 12, some of them. Oh, there's one there open. Family. Can't see what it says. Family. Let's have a look. Pablo. Oh, Pablo family. Light bulb in the road in the other bit. You can't see it, the umbrella's in the way now. Oh, Pablo Family Foods. What's got down here? Got loads of restaurants there. Hotels, supermarkets, all shut. Steakhouse here. You got all over there. Right, let's get back to the beach. Looks like this bar's open. She's cleaning the table, so this one must be open, restaurant. We've got a hotel there, Nobles. We've got San Matías Beach Hotel. And you got the Globals in front of me here. Another one. That's open, definitely open, that's open. Spa open. Right, I'm going to call that here. I'll see you in the next video. This is San Matías Beach. This is. There is another one, Magaluf. I'll show you that in another video. And I'm just going now. Have a little break, coffee, and then I'm going to carry on and show you the next beach. See you soon.